Your fills don't sound as good as they could, and here is why. What makes fills cool isn't just the order in which you play the drums. There's two separate elements going on here. First of all, and the first thing you need to know, is the thing that makes fills sound good, generally, is dynamic contrast. So you're not playing everything at 100 all the time. Can you hear the difference? You're defining little bits that you want to define, not the whole thing, otherwise it all just is a bit too much. And secondly, the way you develop that is by getting used to going between different volume levels in the same limb in a very short space of time. Here's a great way to develop it. We're going to take this fill. 1 E and O, 2 E and O, 3 E and O, 4 E and O. All right, left. 4 groups of 16th notes. First right of the first 3 are going to be toms, high, mid, low, and we get to the last group of 4, accent all of them. If you want to make this sound like I am playing it, the issue you will come across is the fact that you're accenting this high tom up here with your right, and then you accent it again on the snare drum. So it still sounds a little bit wonky, and that might be what's separating you from sounding like, say, your teacher or something. So what you're going to want to do is practice going back to the snare drum being all the same level. Might be a little bit tricky at first, but it makes such a difference. So all these snare drums, same as the left hand. Then you're going to go over to the snare drum for the last 4 and accent all of them just to kind of cover all your bases. And there you have it, a brilliant exercise for taking your playing in general to the next level. If you want to see more videos like this, there are many more. So many, in fact, that it's actually quite hard to search and find the thing you want, which is why I've just released, or I'm going to release, a membership which is going to have all my videos in one searchable place. So if that's something you've been looking for a while, then feel free to check it out. The link will be in the bio description wherever we are currently at, on whatever social media platform we're currently at. But panic not if that's not for you, because I'm still going to be putting out so much free content. So hopefully I will see you in the next video. Big love. Mwah.